We're here at Martin Family Farms. Mr. Jeffrey Martin gonna be one load of heifers. All these heifers are home raised, coming off the Martin Family Farm cows, all Angus base. These heifers are predominantly out of Yon Family Farm bulls. They're all black or black baldies. These cattle might have just a little bit of continental, 10 to 15% continental in them. They will be predominantly Angus. These cattle have had 2 rounds of Bovishield Gold, 1 round of Vision 7 with Somnus. They had a long range warmer. They have not been implanted, and they have been weaned well over 100 days. They're medium frame, medium flesh, just coming off grass. They're being hand fed a few pounds of feed about every other day, just enough to keep them coming up and keep them docile. These cattle are going to be weighing about 605, 610. Cattle need to be picked up before the 13th. Jeffrey has a trip planned. We need them picked up before the 13th of February. A very, very nice set of heifers. They're going to be about 47,000 pounds of these heifers to go on the truck. And these heifers are all home raised. They've been fed in some bunks right here. They will come to a little bit of feed. They're all Angus base. It's an exceptionally good set of heifers, home raised, all black, medium frame, just a medium grass flesh. They all got good hair and good bone. Make somebody a good set of feeders. Also, we make a good set of mama cows for later in the spring breeding time. These cattle will be weighed on the farm certified scales, 2% shrink, $8 topside. Gonna base them about 610. To be picked up before February the 13th. All black, 2 to 3 baldies. This cattle will be on the February max sale. Mr. Jeffrey Martin, Martin Family Farms, located here just south of Golston. That's just south of Siler City.